kasi affected yung ano ko. Ano ka dyan, huwag ka mag-comment kasi i-remove kita dito. Hi. Sir, why only 2? I know you have your already because you send me super chat. Okay, thank you, Sir R. I hope I have other super chat, guys. Sir R, because I didn't get my quota here. I can't get my $100 for a month. That's my quota every month. Ikaw, JSN JSS, mag-buy super chat ka. Mura lang yan, 100 plus. O to George. Thank you, George P. And, ano ba to? Sana lang sa bar. Need to distress and... Ano ba yan? Pick. Sino ka? February. Wala na, tuyo na to, guys. Okay lang, at least ayokong masaktan. I don't want to hurt again. Ingat lang. Guys, need super chat. Kasi, how bad internet again? That's my problem here. I can't go to my... So, I can't go Sir R. To some workplace, so I have my Makmak. BC single mom. Hello Sonel, say hi. And easy lang sa una syempre. Sino pa? I don't know you. Ikaw ba si Bas? Ang ganda ng buhok ko sa condition ko. Condition lock. Ikaw bahala, ako kawawa. Kaya nga, bad internet. Oh, I don't know where I put my phone. Huwag mo akong gawing sugar mommy ha. Wala akong pera. Siksi ha, buyag. I need to. Kasi, ang mga views ko is bumaba na siya. Kumusta pa ang ano ko?